Hello students, this is third practical for XY BCom students. Subject is Business Statistics first paper. Topic is multiple regression, multiple and partial correlation. Multiple correlation. Degree of goodness of fit of a multiple regression plane is judged by the multiple correlation coefficient. Multiple correlation coefficient between x1 and x2, x3 is the maximum correlation between x1 and a linear combination of x2 and x3. Hence, it is the correlation between x1 and its linear estimate x1 cap obtained using regression plane of x1 on x2 and x3. So, multiple correlation coefficient definition. Suppose x1, x2, x3 are interrelated variables and x1 cap is the estimate of x1 using least square regression plane of x1 on x2 and x3. Then the multiple correlation coefficient of x1 with respect to x2 and x3 is denoted by capital R 1.23 and is defined as product moment correlation coefficient between x1 and x1 cap. So capital R 1.23 is equal to is nothing but correlation between x1 and x1 cap. Note that the subscript before the dot represents the dependent variable and those after the dot denote independent variables. Expression for capital R 1.23 is given as square root of R square 12 plus R square 13 minus 2 into R12 into R13 into R23 divided by 1 minus R square 23. And capital R 2.13, the expression is given as square root of R square 12 plus R square 23 minus 2 into R12 into R13 into R23 divided by 1 minus R square 13. R 3.12, the expression is square root of R square 13 plus R square 23 minus 2 into R12 into R13 into R23 divided by 1 minus R square 12. Properties of multiple correlation coefficients. First property, multiple correlation coefficient is non-negative and less than unity. So 0 less than or equal to capital R I point jk less than or equal to 1. So this is the generalized formula for multiple correlation coefficient. Hence it is calculated. Hence if the calculated value of a multiple correlation coefficient comes out is not between 0 and 1, then the given data may be inconsistent. Second property, capital R 1.23 is always greater than or equal to mod value of my small r 12. So we state the property for completeness. Capital R I dot jk always greater than or equal to modulus value of small rij. Third property, multiple correlation coefficient measures maximum correlation between x1 and any other linear combination of x2 and x3. That is, capital R 1.23 is greater than or equal to correlation between x1 and a plus bx2 plus cx3. Fourth property, when capital R 1.23 is equal to 1, its interpretation can be given in the following ways. First interpretation, capital R 1.23 is equal to correlation between x1 and x1 cap is equal to 1, which means there is a perfect positive correlation between x1 and x1 cap. Second interpretation, in this case x1 minus x1 cap is equal to 0. Thus, regression plane of x1 on x2 and x3 gives the best estimate of x1. Third interpretation, small capital R 1.23 is equal to 1. Remaining two multiple correlation coefficients are equal to 1. Fourth property, the condition for consistency of the given total correlation coefficient is given by R square 12 plus R square 13 plus R square 23 minus 2 into R12 into R13 into R23 must be less than or equal to 1. Then partial correlation. We know that the correlation between the variables x1 and x2 is measured by total correlation coefficient. However, variables x1 and x2 may have common influence of x3. We may have common influence of x3, which makes x1 and x2 correlated. If the effect of x3 is removed, still amount of correlation remains same or not may be a question under consideration. The amount of correlation between two variables remaining after removing the linear effect of third variable is called as partial correlation. So partial correlation coefficients. The partial correlation coefficient between x1 and x2 with respect to x3 is denoted by small r 12.3. Small r 12.3 is equal to r12 minus r13 into r23 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 23 into 1 minus r square 13. Then r13.2, the expression is given by r13 minus r12 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 23. Small r 23.1 is given by r23 minus r12 into r13 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 13. See the example. If small r12 is equal to 0.26, r13 is equal to 0.38, r23 is equal to 0.48, find first part of the problem, capital R 1.23, second part, capital R 2.13, third part, capital R 3.12, fourth part, small r 12.3, fifth part, small r 13.2, and sixth part, small r 3.1. So we have to find all multiple and all partial correlation coefficients. The values of total correlation coefficients are given. So multiple correlation coefficients, first multiple correlation coefficient, capital R 1.23 is given as square root of r square 12 plus r square 13 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 23. Now r12 value is given as 0.26. So 0.26 square plus 0.38 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.48 square. So 0.26 square, the value is 0.0676. So 0.0676 plus 0.1444 minus 0.094848 divided by 1 minus 0.2304. Now if you add or subtract according to the signs, the values becomes square root of 0.117152 divided by 0.7696. Perform the division. So capital R 1.23 is equal to square root of 0.152224532. So after taking the square root, the value becomes 0.3901596. Then second multiple correlation coefficient, capital R 2.13, we will write the formula as r square 12 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 1 3. So replace the values. Capital R 2.13 is equal to square root of 0.26 square plus 0.48 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.38 square, which is equal to square root of 0.0676 plus 0.2304 minus 0.094848 divided by 1 minus 0.1444. So capital 2.13 is equal to square root of 0.203152 divided by 0.8556. So if you perform the division, the value becomes square root of 0.2374. So capital 2.13, the value is 0.4873. This is the square root of this value. So capital 3.12, the formula is square root of r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12. So 0.38 square plus 0.48 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square. So which is equal to square root of 0.1444 plus 0.2304 minus 0.094848 divided by 1 minus 0.0676. So the value is given by square root of 0.279952 divided by 0.9324, which is, after performing the division, it becomes square root of 0.30024. The value becomes 0.5479. So multiple correlation coefficients, we already have calculated. The values are capital 1.23 is equal to 0.3901596. Capital 2.13 is equal to 0.4872371108. Capital R 3.12, the value is 0.54794162. Then partial correlation coefficients are given by small r1 2.3 is equal to small r12 minus r13 into r23 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 13 into 1 minus r square 23. So the value becomes 0.26 minus 0.38 into 0.48 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.38 square into 1 minus 0.48 square, which is equal to 0.0776 divided by 1 minus 0.1444 into 1 minus 0.2304, which can be written as 0.0776 divided by square root of 0.8556 into 0.7696. So if you perform the multiplication, the value is given by 0.0776 divided by square root of 0.65846976. The square root value is 0.8114614. So capital R 1.23 is equal to 0.0776 divided by 0.8114614. So the division, after division, the value becomes small r 2.3, the value is 0.095629922. Then partial correlation coefficient small r 13.2, the formula is given by r13 minus r12 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 23, which is equal to 0.38 minus 0.26 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square into 1 minus 0.48 square. So the value can be written as 0.2552 divided by 1 minus 0.0676 into 1 minus 0.2304. So the value is given by 0.2552 divided by square root of 0.9324 into 0.7696. So small r 13.2, the value is 0.2552 divided by 0.847098. So small r 13.2, the final value is 0.301263. Then third partial correlation coefficient, small r 23.1, the formula is given by r23 minus r12 into r13 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 13. So that is equal to 0.48 minus 0.26 into 0.38 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square into 1 minus 0.38 square. So small r to 3.1 is equal to 0.3812 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.0676 into 1 minus 0.1444. So the value is equal to 0.3812 divided by square root of 0.9324 into 0.8556, which is equal to 0.3812 divided by square root of 0.797761. So which can be written as 0.3812 divided by 0.893174. So the final answer becomes 0.426792099. So partial correlation coefficients are small r 12.3 is equal to 0.095629922. R13.2, the value is 0.301263, and small r to 3.1, the value is 0.426792099. Then condition for consistency, r square 12 plus r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 must be less than or equal to 1. See the example. Examine whether the results r12 is equal to 0.6, r13 is equal to minus 0.5 and r23 is equal to 0.4 are consistent. We know that the condition for consistency of total correlation coefficients is given by r square 12 plus r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 must be less than or equal to 1. So r square 12 plus r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23, we will calculate the value as 0.6 square plus minus 0.5 square plus 0.4 square minus 2 into 0.6 into minus 0.5 into 0.4. The values becomes 0.36 plus 0.25 plus 0.16 plus minus into minus becomes plus 0.24. So add all the values, the final value becomes 1.01, which is greater than 1. Hence the values are inconsistent. The important property of partial correlation coefficient. Partial correlation coefficient lies between minus 1 and 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to small rij dot k less than or equal to 1 for all ij 1, 2, 3, and I is not equal to j is not equal to k.